I just finished getting my 4th knee injection, yes. And you know, it was easy, convenient, quick, and I didn't have to wait to get it done here. So that was very, very nice. The staff here is very, very friendly, very, very knowledgeable, and it makes doing this a lot easier. And I'd rather go through this procedure than deal with a knee replacement. I've had friends and family who've had knee replacements, and they did not go as well as this. This is like much better for my knees.
Hi, I heard about Get a Chew through my husband Ed, and decided to give it a try. In 2014, I had a knee replacement that did not go well and has given me fits ever since. So I swore that I would never ever have another one, and I would do whatever it took to keep from having that. And I'm so happy that I came here because through doing therapy with Amber, I've regained a lot of range of motion. I can now squat down, I can now ride a bike. Those were things I couldn't do before. And the knee injections have been pretty painless, and I find that my pain level is quite low to 0 these days. I'm able to do a lot more activities than I could before and go about my daily chores with no pain, which is awesome.